Good morning to the chairperson, honorable judges, headmaster and head researchers, teachers, parents, and all my dear friends. Today, I would like to share a wonderful story with you. PRILLA'S secret recipe of happiness. PRILLA is a good cook. She loves to share her good cooking with everyone. One day, PRILLA came to a desolated village. The villagers went through a hard time of flood and war. They worked hard, but only for themselves. They did not trust neighbors and strangers anymore. When she came to the village gates, everyone disappeared into their houses. They closed their window tights. Knock, knock, knock. PRILLA knocked on the door of the first house. No one answered. Then the house went dark. She knocked on the second door, and the same thing happened. It happened again and again, from one house to the next. These people do not know happiness. Today, I will show them how to make the soup of happiness. She gathered some branches to make a fire. She placed a small tin pot on top and filled it with water. A brave little boy who was watching came up to her. "What are you doing?" asked the boy. "I'm making the yummiest soup of all, the stone soup. First of all, I need 3 round smooth stones." The little boy helped her look around until find just the right one. PRILLA put them into the water to cook. These stones made excellent soup, but these very small pots would make much. "My mother has a bigger pot." The boy ran home and took the gigantic pots. "Mom, the French cook is making stone soup. She needs our biggest pots. Do come up and see her cooking." I would like to learn how to do that," said the boy's mother. The villagers heard the boy shouting. One by one, the villagers came out and see what the stone soup was. Stone soup should be well seasoned by salt and pepper. "It's such a pity. I've got none." "I've got some," said the chemist, as he ran off and returned with salt and pepper and even some other spices. PRILLA took a taste. "The last time I made stone soup, carrots made the broth very sweet." "Carrots? I have a few." A farmer came back with a big basket full and put them into the pot. "If only we had some mushrooms." A few villagers dashed away and returned with fresh mushrooms and cabbages. Soon, something magical began to happen. As each person opened their hearts to give, the next person gave even more. The soup grew richer and smelled more delicious. At last, the soup was ready. The villagers gathered together. They even lit the lanterns. That night, the villagers held a grand banquet. They had not been together like this for a long, long time. The next morning, the villagers gathered to say farewell. "Thank you for having me as your guest. With the secret recipe you have given, we'll always have plenty. You have shown us that sharing makes us all richer." PRILLA was pleased that she helped the villagers to find the true recipe to happiness. My dear friends, do remember, to be happy is as simple as making stone soup. We all can do our part and make a difference. Thank you very much.